As a student of this online program, you will experience flexible learning in a rich, digital, interactive environment. But what does that mean for you? The online classroom has been created by a team of experienced teachers, learning experts, and technology specialists. Each subject has its own dedicated webpage where you can access your learning tools, including weekly learning materials, videos, and assessments. The content for each subject module is organised in a clear and structured way so that you can work through each module at your own pace. You will learn in diverse and engaging ways that take your learning to the next level. Activities will challenge you to interact with the material, reflect on your understanding, and think deeper. All readings are available online, which will help to contextualise and strengthen your understanding. Video is a great way to present subject matter meaningfully. You'll regularly hear from your teachers and industry experts via video, and transcripts of video presentations will also be available. You'll engage with teachers and your peers in live tutorials and participate in online discussions that will help you to articulate your own views and learn from others about the material you are studying. You will also have access to a wealth of online resources and services that will help you succeed in your online study. At the University of Melbourne, we know every student experience is unique. So our student support team will be here to help with any questions or problems you have with your online classroom. We hope to see you studying with us soon.